we move on to finishes. Welcome. In this video you will learn about the different types of finishes used in construction, from flattening and painting to more decorative materials such as ceramics, wood, stones, and terracotta, through modern finishes in polymers and metallic materials. Before starting, my name is Nigel Kutsim and I will be the driver in this chapter. Start with flattening, which are the most common and essential finishes in any construction. The flattenings are applied on block, brick, or concrete walls, and their main function is to provide a uniform surface, ready to receive other finishes such as paint or decorative coatings. The types of flattening. First of all, we have plaster flattening. It is mainly used indoors and it is easy to apply on its smooth surfaces. Then we have the cement sand flattening. It is more resistant and is used both indoors and outdoors, ideal for areas that will be exposed to weather. Their application. The process includes the mixing of materials, the application with a trowel in several layers, and the smoothing with sponges or fradas to obtain a smooth or textured finish, depending on the desired wall. The visual shows the images of walls being painted using different techniques such as a roller, a brush, or a gun. The paint is another indispensable finish that, in addition to beautifying surfaces, others protecting against moisture and wear. The types of painting. First, you have acrylic paint, widely used in its durability and its moisture resistance. Then we have the vinyl paint, ideal for interiors with a wide variety of colors and matte or satin finishes. Outdoor paints. They are more resistant to inclement weather, such as rain or UV rays. Then we have its application. Before painting, the surfaces must be clean and smooth, and it can be applied with a brush, roller, or air gun, depending on the area and the type of finish desired. Now let's talk about ceramics, a material popular for its resistance and ease of cleaning, commonly used in floors, kitchens, and bathrooms, which are also commonly used as decorative materials. The types of ceramics, or enameled ceramic. It has a layer of enamel that makes it resistant to stain and moisture. We have the porcelain stoneware. It is more resistant and is used in high traffic or outdoor areas. In its installation, the ceramics are installed using special adhesives and separated with small expansion joints that are then filled with nozzles for a uniform finish. Correct leveling and alignment are crucial for a perfect result. Visual shows that the wooden surfaces on floors, ceilings, and walls covering, showing different tones and finishes. Wood is a warm and versatile material that brings elegance and naturalness to the spaces. The types of wood, we have solid wood, known as oak, walnut, mahogany, or cedar. It is usually used in floors, doors, and architectural designs. Laminated wood, less expensive but with an appearance similar to natural wood, which are ideal for floors and coating. Wood finishes, varnishes, oils, and lacques can be applied to protect it from the moisture and enhance its natural beauty. Maintenance is the key to preserving the wood in perfect condition. Natural stones such as marble, granite, or slate are highly valued in construction for their durability and luxurious appearance. The types of stone, we have marble. It provides an elegant touch and is used both indoors and outdoors. Followed by granite, which is very resistant, ideal for countertops and work areas. Finally, we have slate. It is a rustic texture, makes it perfect for exteriors or natural style decorations. The installation process of installing natural stones requires special adhesives, and its finish can vary between polishing, matte, or texturing depending on the style you are looking for. The wallpaper is a decorative option that has become fashionable again. It is mainly used indoors and offers a wide variety of designs and textures. First, we have the vinyl, which is most resistant and easy to clean, which is ideal for high traffic areas. We have the non-woven, which is easier and a reusable installation, and it can be removed without damaging the wall. The installation. It is placed using a special adhesive, and great care must be taken with aligning patterns for an impeccable result. It is ideal to give personality to a room without the need for works. The cooked clay is a material that adds a rustic and traditional style to the spaces. It is mainly used in floors and facades. The characteristics of this material is that they are porous and they have a warm appearance, very popular in rural areas or constructions with an ecological approach. Cooked clay is ideal for warm climates because it maintains freshness in the interiors, its installation, and maintenance. It is installed similarly to ceramics, but requires sealants to prevent it from moisture and stains. Metallic materials such as stainless steel, aluminum, and copper are increasingly popular in the modern architecture world. First of all, we have the metal finishes. They are used for coating, structural details, and decorative elements such as railings or window frames. They are very resistant to give an industrial or contemporary touch to the spaces. Metallic materials require specialized tools and protective treatment such as galvanizing or anti-corrosion paints. To ensure their durability, the application of polymeric materials on floors and walls are also used in ceilings. Polymer-based materials are increasingly used due to their versatility and their low cost. The types of polymers, or PVC, it is used in coatings, ceilings, and decorative panels. You have polycarbonate, transparent and lightweight, ideal for roofs and windows. Next, you have the epoxy resins. They are used in industrial and decorative floors for their resistance and easy cleaning. The installation of these materials are often preferred for their low maintenance and their great durability. And here we have an adjusted on the blocks 10 minutes that cover the issues of waterproofing carpentry and blocks mining in construction. The materials and installation processes are clearly stated. Their application of waterproofing on roofs and terraces, different types of waterproofing products, and how they protect structures. We start with a waterproofing, a vital process to protect any building from the harmful effects of moisture and water. What is waterproofing? Waterproofing is the application of special materials on exposed surfaces, such as roofs, terraces, or walls, to prevent water leaks that can weaken the structure over time. The types of waterproofing, we have acrylic waterproofing, which is the most common and applied as paint on ceilings. They have high flexibility and are easy to apply. Then we have the asphalt membranes. They are presented in rolls and offer a thick and resistant layer. They are ideal for areas of great exposure to water. Then we have polyurethane. This type of waterproofing has a great sealing capacity and is very resistant to wear and UV rays. Its application process. Before applying the waterproofing, the surface must be clean and dry, and it is recommended to apply in suitable climatic conditions, without rain and with moderate temperatures. The application can be done with a brush, roller, or a spatula, depending on the type of product. Maintenance. Most waterproofing has a useful life of 3 to 5 years, depending on the weather conditions. It is important to check the condition of the covers periodically and reapply when necessary to avoid leaks. The carpentry works for doors, windows, and wooden furniture, and the samples of different types of wood and finishes. Let's move on to carpentry, an art that transforms wood into a structural and decorative element within a construction. What does carpentry include in a construction? Carpentry covers the manufacture and installation of doors, windows, frames, and custom furniture. These elements bring back both functionality and aesthetic to any space, with its type of woods, like solid wood, like oak, walnut, or cedar, which is used for doors, windows, and their high-quality furniture. Its main advantage is its resistance and durability. Then we have the laminated wood. It is more and more economical and versatile option, composed of layers of wood joined together. Although it is not as durable as solid wood, it is an excellent alternative for tighter budget projects. Then we have carpentry finishes. Wood can be treated with varnishes, lacquers, or oils to protect it from wear, moisture, and give it a pleasant aesthetic finish. The matte, satin, or glossy finish allows you to choose a style that best suits the design of projects. The installation. The installation of carpentry elements must be precise to ensure the correct functioning of doors and windows, ensuring adequate sealing that prevents air and water leaks. In addition, the perfect alignment must be considered to ensure that the pieces fit properly. The images of metal structures under constructions, blacksmith railings, and decorative metal doors. The samples of welding work and creation of metal details. Finally, let's talk about blacksmiths, a key component in modern construction which combines structural strength with decorative design. What is the blacksmith under construction? The blacksmith is responsible for the manufacture and installation of metal structures, railings, doors, windows, and other decorative elements made of steel, iron, or aluminum. The type of blacksmith. The structural blacksmithing, it is used in frames, beams, and columns of buildings to provide strength. The structural steel is one of the most common materials in this type of work. We have decorative blacksmithing, includes railings, gate bars, and architectural details made with metals such as wrought iron or aluminum, which offer an artistic touch without losing durability. The manufacturing process. The blacksmith requires a cutting and welding process to shape the parts. In addition, it is common to use treatments such as galvanized or electrostatic paint to protect the metal from corrosion and improve its appearance. Installation. The installation of the blacksmith elements must be very precise to ensure safety. Especially in structural or railing elements, anchors and welds must comply with specific safety standards to avoid structural failures.